TLC is the level crossing. The level crossing is a bar, bistro and bunkhouse. The bunkhouse is so that we can get more people to come to this lovely town, and then the bar is welcome, also for the local people to come in and be part of it. And we also have a bistro here.
Innovative communities came in to help us with one of the most important aspects of a place like this, which was to provide solar panels for the hot water. As you can imagine, with a whole host of people coming in at any time of day and night, first thing they want is a shower. The innovative communities gave us the solar panels and the marketing help. RCI gave us a lot towards the equipment for the kitchen. Strengthening tourism meant that it was a 50% project and meant that we could put the whole building from its old decrepit state into what you see now, which is, I think, a very fine example of a hospitality place, an affordable hospitality place. And collaborative communities gave us the opportunity to furnish the place, and the staff of the innovative communities and all of the funding people were immensely helpful. They helped us fill in the forms, they helped us with the business plans. It is a difficult thing for us to do as ordinary mortals. We need the help of the officers, and in our case we were very lucky with the people that we had to work with, and they got us through to the end, to opening day, and we've gone on from strength to strength ever since.
My aspirations are to make this place a success, to get people to come to this town that wouldn't normally come here, so that other businesses in this town can benefit from them as well. Obviously, this place, has got so much potential that, I really hope it is going to be a success.